Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate a WhatsApp account temporarily. For example, if you want to get rid of your WhatsApp account for a temporary time on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to open the app store here, and in app store you have to search for the app store, and you have to search whether you have installed the latest version of the WhatsApp on your iPhone or not. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the WhatsApp. And after updating the WhatsApp, you have to simply open the WhatsApp on your iPhone. So before that, you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. So after updating, you have to open the WhatsApp on your iPhone. So here you have to simply open the WhatsApp, and you have to go to settings, and after that you have to simply click on account. So here you can simply find the option of delete account. So if you want to deactivate account, then there is no option available. But if you want to deactivate account, then there are two methods. So the first method is as that you have to simply block your SIM card or eSIM, and after that you can simply re-register with a new account. So in this way your account will be temporarily blocked or deactivated. But if you want to delete it permanently, so if you click on delete my account, then your account will be permanently deleted, and all the data associated with that number will also be deleted. So if you want to delete it, then there is option available. But if you want to deactivate it, then you have to simply turn off your WhatsApp, which means you have to re-register with a new number, which means if you use a new number and log in with new account, the previous account will not get any message, and you cannot see any message. So after that, you log in into that account. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.